أحمد يشتري صابون ما عندنا
So, I want, like, it sucks that my mom had to come to social media just because I wanted to leave out of my situation. And she put 100% of the blame on Alex, and it has nothing to do with Alex. At the end of the day, no matter what you guys say, like, my love life is my love life. None of you guys can control who I want to love, but in this situation, he has nothing to do with it. So you guys can stop telling him bad things. You guys, he's like 21. Like, you guys are judging a boy that you've never met before, and that's very bad. You know, like, it's not okay. Like, at the end of the day, my mom, you know, I'm too, like, stressed out to even explain myself.
Okay, let me tell them. ጋይስ ሁሉንም ትዝ አይለኝም። እሺ ይቅርታ ከአንዳንዱን እንትን ከረሳሁት ያለችው ምንድነው? አሌክስ ምንም እንትን ምንድን ልበላችሁ፣ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም የሁሉ የተጣሉት እሷና እናቷ። ኦልሬዲ እናቴ ይሄን ችግር አይመጣም ነበር። ራሷ ናት እናቴ መታ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ራሷ ስትጀምረው ያው እንትን ማውራት የጀመሩት ስለ ችግራቸው ማለት ነው እንጂ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። አሌክስን አትበይስ፣ አትሳደቡ። አሌክስን እንትን ሌላ እንዴት ልበል? ወይኔ እግዚአብሔር ይርዳኝ። በቃ ልጁን አታጨናንቁት። እሱ አይደለም የእሷና የእናቷ ችግር ነው። ኢትስ ናቲንግ ቱ ዱ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። ይሄ ደግሞ አሌክስን ብትፈልግ ማንን አሌክስ ብቻ ሳይሆን የፈለገችው ወንድ ብትፈልግ የራሷ ቾይስ ነው። ኦልሬዲ 20 ዓመቷ ነው። እሺ እሱ ደግሞ እሱም ገና ልጅ ነው አለቻችሁ። እሱ ገናም 21 ዓመት ልጅ ነው እየሄዳችሁ የምትሰድቡት። እሱ ምንም አላረገም። Okay, Daisy, you know, you commenting about it's nothing to do with Alex. Obviously, they're gonna say, "Oh, why did he disrespect your mom, or why did he say something?" Right? So, yeah, do you want to say a little bit on that one?
Like, my mom, as soon as I left the toxic household, I guess she just thought, okay, like, why? I know a lot of people, they were saying, okay, why did she wait 20 years then to leave?
No, I mean the part, you see the part, let's clear that one and then you can go to this one. They're going to say, why did Alex basically speak to her mom or say something bad or whatever? So do you want to say why he or who started it?
I was telling Alex about my abuse.
Okay.
And it's not like he disrespected her first and came at her first or anything. My mom started harassing him first, and Alex acted on reactions. Like, imagine a girl, like, as soon as your girlfriend leaves the toxic household, like, her mom starts harassing you. She reports you to the embassy. She's telling people that you kidnapped her. She's saying a whole lot of nothing. Alex acted on nothing but reactions. He was defending himself. Not once did Alex's family disrespect me, and I wish my mom cared about me that much to respect him and his family. I mean, wendlage, asu wendno and aswasitnish. Respect is respect. Respect is earned, and that's something that you guys don't understand. But
okay, let me tell them.
He's very respectful, even to his family. His family is so respectful. I mean, my mom is just. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
አሌክስ እና እነሱ ሜቢ ጠይቁሽ ይሆናል ሰዎቹ። ታዲያ አሌክስ ለምንድን ነው እናትሽ ነው የተናገረው ይላሉ ስላት፣ አሌክስ አልተናገራትም መጀመሪያ እናቴን። የዛኔ ጭንቀቱ ምንም ሲኖራት እና አብሴት ስትሆን ምንድነው አብሴት፣ ይቅርታ ጋይስ እንግሊዝኛ ይቀላቀልኩኝ ነው። በቃ ልጅቷ ሲጨንቃት ዴይዚ ማለት ነው ለጓደኛዋና ለሱ እየደወለች ነግራቸው ነበረ። ያው ሁሉም ሰው ችግር ላይ ስትሆኑ ምንም ሰው ወደ ፋሚሊ ወይም ወደ ፍሬንድ ነው የሚደውሉ አይደል? ስለዚህ እንደዛ ነው ያደረገችው። ከዛ ግን አይ ቲንክ እሱ ሲያወራት ምናምን እናትየው ታውቅ ነበረ እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ ኤምባሲ ላይ ሪፖርት አድርገዋለች። ምንም ሳያረጋት እየደወለች ኤምባሲ ላይ ምናምን ሪፖርት አድርጋው ነበረ አዲስ አበባ አይ ቲንክ። ከወጣች በኋላም ስለሚያወሩ ስለምታውቅ እሷ ነበረች እንትን የምትለው ይሄ ስልኳ ላይ የገባች ምናምን ቁጥሩን ወስዳ ወይም ሰድዋለች መስለኝ ልጁ። እሷ ደግሞ ምንድን ነው የምትለው ያለችው ኦብቪየስሊ ተናደው ስለነበረ በብስጭት ተናገራት እንጂ እሱ ተሳድቧት ምናምን አያውቅም ነው የምትለው ያለችው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ እሱ በስነ ስርዓት ያደገ ልጅ ነው። ፋሚሊዎቹ ምናምን ሁሉም ሪስፔክት ያላቸው ሰዎች ናቸው ነው ያለችው ጋይስ። እናትየው ግን ምንም አይጨንቃትም። ልጁን አትወደውም። አሌክስ ግን ሪስፔክት ያለው ልጅ ነው። ፋሚሊዎቹም ሪስፔክትፉል ናቸው።
Also, I was like, so Laogao, a request, please. And why did I wait after 18 to leave my current household? Because I had nobody.
Well, when you're 18, they said, why did you leave? Why didn't you not leave?
Huh?
Did they say what did he just ask you a question? Why didn't you leave when you were 18?
Here now.
Okay, go on.
Hi, Daisy. Yeah, two things, right? Number one, don't get emotional. Just explain what you have to explain. And second, if whoever understands you will understand you. Whoever doesn't. So, like, don't take it personally. Some people are ignorant. Some people will see what you're going through and will come to an understanding. And you think, you gotta take what it is. Okay, don't get emotional. Like she said, nobody pays your bill. Like nobody really knows you internally, right? So you don't have to worry about those people. You came here to explain. So two things you have to understand that there are a certain questions that anybody would ask. If it's a polite question and it's a right question, you could be able to reply to them if you want to, obviously. So for instance, right, so why people, like, even including myself, right, why would I would say that it's because of feminists that why would you wait until you turn 20? Why don't you leave the house by 18 if you were miserable like this? Like, why wait 2 years?
Because I didn't feel like I was ready to leave.
Financially as well, right?
I mean, financially, she said it's not stable. So that financially doesn't have nothing to do with it because I'm sorry to say this, financially, you're not stable even at this moment, right? You don't have your own job. You don't have a place to stay. So you're not stable.
I already got it. I already have that.
No, like, I'm talking about, like, when you came from Ethiopia, at that moment, you didn't have a
When
job.
I came from Ethiopia, I had nothing.
So why did you wait for the past 2 years?
But don't you think that's a silly question though? I'm sorry to interrupt, but like,
I didn't ask you.
If you had enough of something, if you had, obviously, if it's too much, whether you have financially or not, you're gonna push someone.
She said she's been miserable for her, like, for a long time, right? So why wait the past 2 years? Why didn't she live to one?
People in abusive, toxic place or anything, it doesn't mean they just get up and leave. Let's be real. I don't know where you live, but a lot of people get abused and everything.
Why don't you let her answer? Why are you answering it though? I'm not asking you.
You're just asking. You're clearly
I'm not asking.
You explain that, and you're asking her why did it take her
Not
to.
asking you.
But
I'm not asking you this
why
question.
you're asking her that silly questions.
She cannot answer it, or she don't have to. Like I said, but I didn't ask you.